What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video we are going to talk about staking versus yield farming. Which is better? Which is a better opportunity? Is it better to stake in a bear market, or is it better to stake in a bull market, or is it better to yield farm in a bear market, or is it better in a bull market? Guys, we're going to talk about all that junk in this video today. But first off, guys, three things for me. Like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below saying you subscribe. Once you do all three of those things, and the one other thing, leaving a comment below saying you subscribe. Man, guys, my math is atrocious. You'll automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC, sponsored by this guy. Hopefully I do my math wrong and accidentally put another zero next to it. Maybe it's 1,000. No, it'll be $100, but I got fat fingers, see? So anyways, guys, the next thing is there's an address in the description below for Ethereum. If you guys want to send ETH there, you can if you want. It's a little giveaway between y'all. Anyone who throws any amount of Ethereum in that wallet will get whatever's in that wallet. You guys can verify it on etherscan.io. It'll be the same exact thing. We're going to be doing the drawing on June 30th for that. So it's a fun way to experience blockchain and understand how it works. So let's go ahead and get into the content, guys. First off is staking. We're going to talk about this first. Actually, I kind of want to show this to you to be like an intro to the video. I just went off screen, didn't I? Yeah, that's okay. I don't need to be here anyways, guys. You're here for the content, not me. In meeting for all. Gone. All right, so you have this, guys. I know you saw higher rewards and you're like, whoa. These rewards are like gone. Look at Aave. Aave was paying like 19% and now it's 0.42%. What the pants? Matic, that was paying like 10%. Now it's like 1.19. What? Are you kidding me? So you guys can see what's going on. It's like, oh snap. Well, the rewards are gone. Yield farming's gone. Well, let me explain to you how yield farming works. I thought I'd go ahead and jump back on screen because you guys are going to be staring at a screen while I'm talking. This is how yield farming works. So whenever someone else is speculating on something, that's going to drive up those yields. So it's similar to like a Ponzi. So if you guys are getting in on top, you're going to be getting in good. You're going to be paid well, because if you don't know where the yield is coming from, you are the yield. So when people are speculating, that's how the quote unquote Ponzi works. That's why you see so many pools with 4% deposit fees, and we're strongly against that, guys. Don't do the 4% deposit fee. It is not worth it because you don't know how long the Ponzi is going to last. There's hard rugs and soft rugs, guys. You can survive from a soft rug, well, for the most part. In a hard rug, if you put all your funds in there, you cannot survive from it. Guys, and never put all your funds into one pool. Just never. It's not financial advice. It's just common sense. If you guys are going aping in, all in, bro, this ain't for you. Just go buy a lottery ticket. You'll know the results quicker than you do in a yield farm, unless it's Titan. But anyways, guys, so if you don't know where the yield is coming from, you are the yield. So now you're thinking to yourself, okay, that makes sense. So is speculation driving the yield farms? So what's going to happen in a bear market? That's a good question. So you can kind of feel like what's a bear market right now. A lot of people withdrew from pools. A lot of people were like, this ain't for me. I'm going to Celsius. I'm going to BlockFi. It's a lot more stable over there. I mean, there's different options. You guys can go to Celsius. You can go to BlockFi. It's a centralized exchange. There's links in the description below. I use both of them. Celsius, for example, they literally paid me $40 to deposit BTC after I used a referral. And then I typed in BTC 50 and I got $50 in BTC. So I literally got $90 in BTC for free. I didn't even have to leave a comment in the video. And then the other one is BlockFi. You just deposit like, I think it's $100 using the referral code and you get $25 in BTC. So yeah, they are centralized exchanges, but hey, they're bonuses. So who cares? You take advantage of them. But again, it's the same thing with Celsius and BlockFi as well. In a bear market, will those yields still be there? Well, typically in a bear market, there may be some yield, but it will go down a lot. How this works is people borrow money and they have to pay against it. And that's what you're earning the yield on. So as more and more people borrow, there is a huge demand to borrow stable coins or borrow any asset. That's typically why you see like UST right now is crazy high right now. It's because people are borrowing it like crazy. and they're on the other side, they're paying the return for it because they can do that. People need their UST or USDT. Either they're speculating on something or they're over leveraged and they have to keep levering up to pay back their loans. I don't know. There's different options, but eventually there will be a point where they can't pay it back, and then there's a cascading event similar to like Titan Finance. How was that, guys? Stairs on the way up, and that wasn't even an elevator on the way down. That was like rocket ship points straight to the ground. Wham! It was like snap. Sorry, Chris. Didn't mean to scare you. All right, but anyways, guys, that is yield farming. So now let's show you guys staking. Staking, in my opinion, some of these rewards will be stronger, but there's a problem. As more and more people are like, oh, I'm a stake too, these rewards do go down. But potentially, in general, I feel that some people will capitulate and they'll just be like, I'm out, I'm selling everything, I'm done. So that's why some of the staking rewards will stay higher, in my opinion. But typically, with the staking rewards, it's really as more and more people stake, the rewards go down. And you can see the different rewards that they have. A good website to go to is stakingrewards.com. And on this website, it literally shows you the top 10 cryptocurrencies that are currently being staked and earning interest right now. Wow, that's shocking. AVAX is earning pretty well. No one really is talking about AVAX, I will say that too. But you guys can see all the rewards here. So like, for example, Cake 75%, good stuff. Polygon 58% right now. But one thing you guys got to keep in mind with staking is I believe there is like a 7-day unbonding period. And me personally, I had a bad experience with staking Matic. I actually staked to a delegator that ended up not even claiming the rewards because of the Ethereum gas fees, and they had a problem with their nodes. And you didn't even get any rewards. So even though it was like 60% or 50%, you didn't get rewards. So make sure you guys DYOR on the validator that you stake to. But you guys can look on stakingrewards.com and see the different rewards there. So to factor in the staking, these are the math problems you have to factor in. Is with the staking, it is going to be lower as more people are going into there. If there's less people, the staking rewards are going to be higher. However, with yield farming, it's one of those things, if people are not ready to ape in, or if they aren't aping in, then it's not going to go up. It's like a Ponzi scheme. So if there's not a lot of people paying 4% deposit fees, then they can't afford to pay higher rewards. That's how a Ponzi scheme works, guys. So if you don't know where the yield's coming from, you are the yield. So when there's no people like piling money in, then you aren't going to get any of the yield. That's just how it works. So you guys can keep that in mind as well. Me personally, what do I think's better in a bear market? I would think staking is going to be better, but that's just me personally because I feel that people aren't going to be aping into everything. And guys, when you hear aping, my definition of aping is always play everything. So they literally just pile into every yield farm. Don't do that, guys. Don't. So if you guys are looking for a centralized way, you can use Celsius or you can use BlockFi if you guys want to do that. They even have it on like Binance Smart Chain, or not Binance Smart Chain, but on Binance you can lend it out there. But again, guys, I'm pretty strong about this. Not your keys, not your crypto. I still use Celsius and BlockFi, but me personally, I think the best way is DeFi because it's decentralized and there's no intermediary between your funds, but that's just me. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys do 3 things: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And guys, gotta say thank you to our Patreon. Sean Bott, Tyreek Lowe, and JP. Guys, thanks for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. And thanks for tuning in, guys. And we'll leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 23, verses 5. Cast but a glance at riches, and they are gone. For they will surely sprout wings and fly off to the sky like an eagle. It's like Iron Finance, right, guys? Anyways, guys, I'll start doing live streams on Saturday as well. It looks like we voted on 6 p.m. on Saturday. So I'll start doing live streams once a week. So if you guys have any questions, you can throw them at me on Saturdays and we'll go from there. See you guys in the next one. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is, scan it, check it out, bomb bomb. Alright, so next off guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it, so I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.